Hey, Millenniumforce here and crew behind me. We also got Andy Revello and we also got Jawtooth. It's the YouTube crew. Anyway, where Andy just took us, this is crazy because he lives close to here. We're in Altoona on top of the Horseshoe Curve Mountain where the train tunnels are. And there's a rabbit. Anyway, he says it's not trespassing. I haven't seen no signs, no gates, so we're here. We're by the tracks. We're filming trains. We're not causing no harm. But anyway, there's one of the tunnels that the trains go through to get to the other side of the mountain.
That's
and
the old portage tunnel, they call it.
What's the name of that?
This one's the Allegheny, this one's the old portage.
Okay. This is the old portage tunnel. And on the other side of those trees, which we'll go down and see real quick, over there behind Jawtooth, is the other railroad tracks that go through the Allegheny tunnels. So let's go check it out. When the train comes, we will come back and see it, whatever track it's going to take. Of course, the rabbit, duck, whatever you call it, is ahead of me. There's the tracks right there. That way's Altoona, Horseshoe Curve, and that way is the tunnels. Well, there's the train tunnels on the other side of Gallitzin, and that's the Allegheny Tunnels, and there you go, you can see right through it. Okay, this is the other side of the tunnel, and you can see the bridge we were standing on the other side of the tunnel, just at the top of the tunnel. See it? That's the bridge we were just standing on filming trains coming out of. It's pretty cool. It's about a mile long, I think, just under a mile. Let me go ahead and bring the camera out now. Of course, there's Louie, whatever the hell he's doing. Oh boy, I gotta go ahead and stop him from whatever he's gonna do. Louie, do not go in that tunnel. Anyway, there's the other way to Horseshoe Curve, and we gotta drive through that. See that bridge? Whatever, that train track goes over that, but we gotta drive under it. And the car is up that hill there where Sarah's coming down. What is that loony doing? Where Louie is going is an abandoned tunnel. There's no train tracks inside it. There is a gate. He ain't going to be able to get in there. That's the old tunnel that smaller trains used to go through. When they built the auto rack and the intermodal trains, they were too high and big, so they had to stop trains going through that tunnel, and they had to go over here and make a new tunnel so the bigger trains could fit through. So that tunnel he's going to, he can't even get in it. It's flooded, it's closed, but it would have been nice if they would make a bicycle path through it. That would have been great. I would have went through it. Anyway, there he is. I bet you he's going to look in that other tunnel. Hey man, we're on top of the mountain, Altoona here, Pennsylvania, by the tunnels. Charlotte's over there. She's putting a curse on the forest here on top of the mountain. She's over there behind Jawtooth's truck, behind that mound of rock, and she's peeing. She's giving the forest her witch juice, and she's going to turn the whole forest into fall look by tomorrow. All these trees are going to turn brown, and probably the leaves will fall off and the trees will start falling over. This is going to be like a desert by the time she gets out of here after pissing in the forest. There it is. Here comes the bear out coming from in the woods. This has been a Millenniumforce presentation. Come back and see me sometime, would ya? Make sure you subscribe and hit that thumbs up like button. And I don't mean the thumbs up like anywhere else. See ya!